Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ManyChat for your small business in 2026. Whether you want to automate customer support, generate leads, or increase sales, ManyChat can help you save time and grow your business. So let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then connect your Facebook page or Instagram business account to start using automation. Next, create a welcome message to greet new customers automatically. Yeah, this gives visitors a professional first impression and helps them find the information they need. Now build simple automation flows to answer common questions, recommend products, collect customer details, or schedule appointments. This reduces manual work and keeps your business available even when you're offline. After that, use tags and audience segmentation to send personalized messages based on customer interests or previous interactions. This can improve engagement and increase conversions. Finally, review your analytics regularly to see how your automations are performing. Update your flows, improve your messages, and continue optimizing your chatbot as your business grows. And that's it. You now know how to use ManyChat for your small business. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.